Hi class, this is our final week. Class ends on Friday. Remember that. Class ends this Friday at 11:59 p.m. I encourage you to look at your grades and any missing assignments this week. If you are missing any assignments, you can still submit them. Remember, zeros hurt your grade, so you really want to try to submit any missing assignments. Also, if you haven't done so, please complete the end of term survey in week 4. This helps us improve our courses and our instructions. Your voice and what you say in the student survey or the end of term survey is very important to us in improving our courses and our instruction. So don't forget to do that. Last week, we learned about comparing and contrasting in writing. I read some great papers. If you haven't done so, you can still submit your paper. Remember that you're comparing and contrasting two different topics or objects, whatever you choose. It's a fun paper because you get to look at different things and how different things work and weigh in, giving your opinion about which one you think is the best. William had an excellent paper on the comparison of regulating freedom of speech between the U.S. and Europe. Excellent paper, William. I want to see some more good writing. There's a few of you that haven't submitted your paper. I'd love to see what you're going to do with your papers. So moving into this week, we are learning about research and writing a 2-page paper. We kind of touched on research when we discussed the argumentative writing, but we're going to get a little bit deeper into researching papers. You're going to write a 2-page paper, and folks, this is your final paper. I want to remind you it is important that you do write a 2-page paper about your career based on the research that you find. You can use the online library here. If you click on this link, it should take you to the online library. The password to that library is learn, in all lowercase letters, okay? You can also use the Occupational Outlook Handbook. This has great information about education that's needed for your career, the potential salaries that you can earn, and different things about what the job entails. You can also look locally, find something locally about your salaries in your communities, what they say about the jobs in your communities. So again, you're going to write a 2-page paper using those resources that you find about your career. Give us the job description. What are the educational environments? I talked on that. You can find that in your Occupational Outlook Handbook. And then what's the work environment about? What do you do? Where will you work? Your salary. Of course, everyone wants to know, how much will I make? And what interests you about the job the most? From your research, what did you find the most interesting? Or maybe this is a passion of yours. Talk about that in your paper. Remember that you need these sources cited at the bottom. You need a works cited page listing the information that you find about your job, okay? Remember, if you need any help or if you have any questions, you can contact me, email me, text me, call me, whatever you decide to do. Guys, I want to see you guys hit it hard this week. Don't give up. I want to see everyone pass this class. Call me if you need any help. All right, have a great week.